The original 5-in-1 clipper, the Wahl Arco, is the tried and true cordless option for precise trimming in hard-to-reach spots such as ears, faces, and paws to give groomers, animal professionals, and pet owners everything needed in a cordless clipper. The 5-in-1 fine blade adjusts between sizes number 9, 10, 15, 30, and 40, offering a convenient variety of cutting lengths. With a rechargeable battery, this clipper has an 80-minute cordless runtime and 75-minute charge time. The Arco can be used on small and medium-sized dogs such as Bichons, Shih Tzus, Terriers, and Spaniels, as well as cats. Can also be used on horses for trimming and touch-ups on the muzzle, face, ears, legs, fetlocks, and bridle paths. Includes one Arco cordless clipper, 5-in-1 fine blade set, 2 drop-in NiMH rechargeable battery packs, a soft storage case, charging stand and charger, 4 plastic attachment guide combs, cleaning brush, blade oil, and instruction book. Wahl performs quality assurance on all of our products, and small bits of synthetic hair may appear on the blade or clipper as a result of this process. Rest assured that your clipper and blade are brand new. Wahl Professional Animals Original 5-in-1 Blade Cordless Clipper. Arco. The Arco is powerful enough to shave down small dog breeds and quiet enough to clip bridle paths and fetlocks on horses. Ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, the Arco is lightweight to prevent wrist and shoulder fatigue. The Arco kit comes with 2 removable batteries that each have a runtime of 80 minutes. With a 75-minute full charge time, keep one battery on the charger and the other in the clipper to ensure continuous all-day clipping. Top reviews from the United States. I should have bought it long time ago. I wish I had bought them a long time ago, they're great. We take our dogs to the groomer, and we have an older cheap Wahl clipper that we'd use when we are lazy and didn't go to the groomer. However, one of my dogs hated the old clippers. They were really noisy and vibrated a lot. The Arco clipper is a huge improvement from what we used to use. None of my dogs were scared this time.